styling your hair versus just doing your hair? What is the difference? One of the things that makes a huge difference from someone saying, wow, your hair looks so cute, and someone not really noticing your hair at all is the little extra effort that you can put into your hair to just make it look like you put effort in and it's put together, as opposed to just thrown up on top of your head. This does not mean it has to take a lot of time or a lot of effort or a lot of skill. There's very small things you can do to make a style pop instead of just exist. We've probably all seen those videos that go around TikTok and Reels that show wearing your clothes versus styling your clothes, and it's the same concept here. So I'm going to show you a very common messy bun that people do, and a way that you can do it so that it is more styled and not just done. So the way that most people would do this bun, and to be fair, you're usually not doing much with your day, you're just hanging around, you're cleaning your house, you're picking your kids up from school, but we can look a little extra on those days if we want to. We don't have to just throw our hair up if we know how to do the little things that don't have to take a lot of time. So usually people would do this, and off we go, right? Our hair is done, but we can do this exact same bun in a way that looks a million times different and a million times more elevated. And I don't want to say better, because there's nothing wrong with the way this looks. And if you like the way this looks and you want to go out this way, and I do go out this way, that's also fine, but we can elevate it. So now let's elevate it. I'm going to take out hair around my face to start with. I'm going to use a comb, and I'm going to take out sort of what was once my curtain bang, but is now just sort of like a face framing layer. You could take out as much or as little as you want, but kind of having some hair down around your face is going to really help with the elevation of this hairstyle. And so then we'll go and we will create our little bun once again. Classic bun, but this time, instead of just popping it like that, we're going to pull it a few times. We're going to pull it side to side. We're going to pull it forward and backwards. We're going to really give the shape of this bun some texture. We're going to get that hair to be a little more floppy and movable. And then we're going to take just one bobby pin, and we are going to pin close that gap at the front. Just gently. You don't want to make anything too tight. This is not meant to be a tight look. And then something that can really elevate your look is to loosen the base, especially if your hair is dirty. This really helps to soften the look. So we just grab the hair near where our ponytail is and just pull forward gently. And you kind of just go around your head until you like the way it looks. The more you pull, the softer and messier it's going to look. But adding this texture just really elevates it, makes it look more intentional, makes your hair look done in an undone way. So you could just end here, but to give it that last little pop of something special, I like to take my flat iron. You could also use a curling wand, and I just curl these front pieces lightly. Not a lot, I'm not looking for ringlets, just so that they're not straight. And there we go. It's literally the same bun, but so much more elevated, so much more elegant, looks more intentional. It really wasn't that much more effort, that much more time, or that much more work, but it looks a million times more done than the first bun. I hope that helps. I hope you can use the concept in this video to apply it to other basic hairstyles. I can do that for you, show you some other basic hairstyles that we could elevate. Maybe in the comments you could let me know what basic hairstyles you would like to elevate, but also have some fun and experiment for yourself. Find ways that you can elevate your basic hairstyles into a more elevated version of itself. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Hit the like button because it really helps me out. Leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos because I do post 3 every single week here on YouTube. Bye, guys.